To begin with, I would like to pay my high respect to judges, teacher, and hello all friends. My name is Samalada. I'm 10 years old. I study English at International Foreign Language School in Sabakit Today, I'm so delighted to stand here as a presenter and share everyone an interesting reading which is about fairness. Fairness is making things equal for everyone. It is also about taking turns and following rules. There are many ways to be fair. Rita was a real stickler for the rules. Some people complain about it, but she liked a fair game. If she lost a game, she lost because she didn't play as well, not because of cheating. The other kids called her the umpire because she was so fair. Ken was the classroom snack helper. He was the best at making sure everyone got their fair share. No one ever complained about not getting as much as someone else. He was very careful to give everyone the same amount. Everyone liked that about Ken. That's all my reading. So thank you, judges, teacher, and all friends for your listening.